Guys, what's happening? Have you ever been in a garden and a fat, juicy bumblebee flies by your head and you're already sweating and struggling with the lawnmower to start it? So you try to kill it, but you ever stop and think maybe you need that bee to live? We need bees more than you think. So let me ask you a question. If you knew what I knew, would you want to save the bees? I'm here today to explain to you why we need bees. You may not know it, but bees play a huge part in our day-to-day lives. Some people say when they go extinct, so would the human race. Let's find out why they're unexpectedly dying off and how we can save them. My name's Antonio, and let's get right into it. Bees play a crucial role in the circle of life. You may have heard the circle of life from the Disney film The Lion King, but that movie is speaking nothing but facts. There is a circle of life, and bees play a bigger part in there than you possibly think. You may only think bees are here to go to flowers and grab pollen, but it's much more than that. Just by transporting pollen to flower is responsible for 70% of fruits, vegetables, and seeds that we eat. But since 2016, bees have been dying off at a rapid rate due to multiple things like viruses, contaminated nectar, a bad winter, some excessive use of pesticides in crops, and certain blood-sucking parasites. That only reduces in bee colonies. Maybe for us, bees are annoying, only here to sting and buzz in our ears, but you ever think that drinking coffee in the morning has nothing to do with bees? You're definitely wrong. Bees pollinate coffee plants, which are called coffina. Without bees, our diet would mostly contain of being corn, wheat, rice, because they are wind-pollinated plants. Another big thing that people don't really realize is that without bees, we don't have clothes. Because of cotton, bees really do everything. Without cotton, you can forget about blue jeans, paper towels, mattresses that we sleep on. Now, people won't exactly go extinct when the bees die, but without the bees, it really would be a dark world when it comes to survival, because there's not going to be a lot of food. But there are ways we can help save them, like let your lawn get back to the roots, meaning they prefer something similar to their natural habitat. Or maybe keep a bee garden. You can keep a bee garden, like a shallow carton of water in your backyard so they can land and drink water, because they get thirsty. Because during the summer, we all get thirsty, so they're going to need water. You can also help bees by buying from your local farmers, because they don't use pesticides. Like I said, pesticides are one of the things that definitely kill bees. I mean, people put it in their garden to kill pests and stuff like that, but bees go over there for flowers, so that also affects them. Alright, that's the number one thing that's actually killing them. Anyway, the bees plus, it is a win-win if you buy from the local farmers. You're helping the local farmers, obviously. You're helping the bees, also helping yourself, because food is more fresh and it's a lot more cheaper to buy, from the local farmers than it is from buying from like ShopRite or your regular stores. Also, get the word out there. People don't know about this as much as you think. If you go online and let people know, people will get interested, because they probably don't know about this, what's really going on. Or a really obvious choice of how to save the bees is try not to kill them. I mean, we're always trying to slack them around and step on them when we get the chance. I mean, we don't know it, because I'm just saying, try not to kill them. I mean, I know they are annoying sometimes, but hopefully now that I gave you some reasons not to kill them and how to save them, then hopefully you've learned something about about bees today. And I wish the world can understand that bees are more important than we think. And by helping them, we're helping ourselves. So let's work together to make sure that we all survive. I just want to say a quick thanks for watching this video. And I always remember that bees are our friends. They're here to help us. So why not be there for them? Help them. My name's Antonio, and I will see you guys later.